Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do Siri picks our slime, and we don't actually have time. So we have this glue, it's styrofoam glue, I don't know, I bought it last year. And this is number 2. These frogs are number 1, and these Legos are number 3. So I have my iPad, aka hers, so we're going to be starting. I'm going to rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first? Can you move your chair like this? Because I have not the rolling chair.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Rock, paper, scissors. Not 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot.
You can't always pick rock.
Okay, 1, 2, 0. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1, 1.
Whoever wins the next one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first. Okay.
Say, Siri, pick a random number 1 through 10. No, not 1 through 10. 1 through 3. I'll say it. Siri, pick a random number from 1 through 3.
The answer is 1.
Okay, I got some frogs. What color should I do? Blue, green, or red? I think red's a good color. Okay, so I'm gonna use.
No, we're not gonna put frogs in.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put frogs. It's our ingredient.
No, let's. Okay, whatever. Okay, so now my turn.
Can we do 1 through 4? We can add tissues.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 through 4. I'm gonna get more of the.
Siri, pick a random number from 1 through 4.
That would be 3.
You got Legos. Put 2 Legos in.
No.
I mean 1 Lego, but not too big.
I'll take this one.
Okay, back to me. Siri.
Don't say it so loud.
Siri.
Siri, pick a random number 1 through 4.
It's 3.
I got Legos.
Legos.
Who's the machine cream? I gotta pick it, not you.
Siri, pick a random number 1 through 4.
The answer is 3.
They keep on picking 3. We cannot do that 3.
Go, it's okay.
Okay. Siri, pick a number 1 through 4.
The answer is 2.
I got shaving cream.
Don't put the wrong.
Oh my gosh.
Here, let me do it.
No, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's no.
It doesn't work.
So good. Okay, I'm gonna. I got all the ingredients. I just need
Okay.
1 more. It's like
Siri, pick a random number 1 through 4.
That would be 2.
Nah. She needs to get frog. I have all the ingredients except tissues. She has all the ingredients except 2 things. Don't put so much. You cannot put so much. Now back to me. Pick a number 1 through 4.
It's 4.
I got the tissues.
We're just gonna keep doing this until the video is up to 5 minutes.
I got some tissues in there.
Did you bring lotion?
No.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, this feels so gross right now.
Pick a number 1 through 4.
That would be 3.
You gotta look at this. I need more.
You can add more.
Yeah, I can add more and I was looking to me.
Okay, go your turn.
Pick a number 1 through 4.
It's 1.
I got more frogs. This time I'm gonna do blue.
Pick a number 1 through 4.
It's 3.
Again?
It's shaving cream though.
Oh, I took it away.
Where?
You can't add more.
Oh yeah. The shaving cream's out, so we're gonna do 1 through 3.
Is there any more shaving cream or that's the only one?
It's the only one. How about we're gonna let me go find
I'm gonna go put the shaving
I'm
cream
gonna go
back.
I'm gonna go find a good ingredient.
Can you put the shaving cream back?
No, let me find a good
Chloe, put the shaving cream back.
I'm finding a good I got the best idea. We're gonna use Q-tips.
Yes, I'm tired. have to put the whole Q-tip in?
Yeah.
No.
The whole thing?
Pick a number 1 through
4.
4 again. My turn. My turn.
My turn. What? Siri, pick a number 1 through 4.
2.
What did I get?
Q-tips.
I got Q-tips. The first one I got Q-tips. Okay.
Pick a random number 1 through 4.
That would be 1.
She finally got frogs. Mine's looking gross. We're gonna have to come and get it out and play with it.
We can't play with this.
Yeah, we can. If you guys get Q-tips, just throw them away at the end. I just threw them away.
Chloe,
We're not gonna use Q-tips.
wow, now she
Cards.
changed them.
Not this.
Okay, what should we do then?
Post-it notes. No, crayons.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no. I have to think.
We're using Q-tips to mix.
No, we're gonna use.
I hope that made it. No, none of that made it. Okay, I'll be right back. Whose turn is it?
I think it's your turn.
No, I just got frogs.
Okay, I did my turn. I'll be back.
Okay, I'll just go right now. Pick a random number 1 through 4. Not turn on.
It's 4.
So I got tissues.
Wait.
I got tissues.
From frogs, it was supposed to be my turn, so you didn't go, yeah. You put frogs and I didn't put anything.
Okay, well, I just...
Why did you put a Q-tip in mine?
Because we're using Q-tips to mix.
We have things.
No, I threw it away.
Okay.
So I got tissues. Can you close the door, please?
No.
Okay, I don't like the frog, so I'm going to throw the frog away.
No, you cannot do that.
Yes, you could.
That's ingredient. Okay. So if you're gonna do 1 through 4, I wish next in 1 year to 5 and 18 or 6 months, we're gonna do a wheel challenge. We're gonna force our parents to get a wheel.
We don't need a wheel, Chloe.
We might do. Ash, we're gonna have a good video next time. So stay tuned.
Sorry for my messy hair. Oh gosh, I threw my Q-tip away. Ugh. Is there
Now I'm getting my slime out.
You can't play with it.
Let's see. We're gonna have to get them out. See what they're gonna make into.
Oh.
You have to use the ingredients in it. Why did you throw the frogs away? Frogs are supposed to be in it.
Oh my god, this is so crazy.
My Lego piece is gone. Oh, that's why my Lego
Okay,
piece.
we have to go wash our hands after this.
No, we have to first. Who's like more like slimy? They want.
Well, I just put mine in.
Mine's forming like into slime, but I'm not sweet until like a
Oh.
Okay, so hashtag until our next video, and we're gonna do a really good video. Maybe it'll be today, tomorrow, or the next day, or the other day. So stay tuned. Bye.